What is family? Merriam-Webster-Dictionary.com has several different definitions of the word family. Two of these definitions are what you would think of when you think of a typical family. The one definition states, the basic unit of society traditionally consisting of two parents rearing their children. The other definition states, a group of individuals living under one roof, usually under one head or household. The third definition is the one that I want to speak to you about today, and it's the one that I think of when I think about Heather. This definition does not necessarily refer to people, it's more about things or objects, but it does still relate. This definition states, a group of things related by common characteristics. Although Heather and I do not have any blood connection, she is family and always will be. From day one, I have always looked at her this way. The day we met, we just had that instant connection. Heather has the biggest heart, and she is truly one of those people that will always put everybody else's needs before herself. She never thinks of herself, and it is no wonder to me that her and Christian have met and have created this connection because he is the same way that she is. They really are a match made in heaven. Her career in emergency services has helped to shape her into the person that she is today and really has helped define her and helping her to put those needs of others ahead of her. Aristotle says, friendship, or philia, is a virtue which is most necessary with a view to living, for without friends no one would choose to live, though he had all other goods. Heather, who is a wife, a daughter, a friend, a sister, is one of the most amazing people in the entire world. She is going to be an amazing mother as well. I just know it from the bottom of my heart. She is the true definition of both what family and friendship really is. She is the most caring woman in the world, and I know that she is always just a phone call away. Whether I feel like my world is crashing down and I need her there for support, or I just want to call her no matter what time of day, just to say hello. She is always there, willing and available to help. When it comes to true friends like Heather, there is no boundary between friendship and family, because she really is family. The saying holds true that blood is not always thicker than water. I have 3 blood sisters of my own, but there are certain things that you just can't go to your own sisters for. You need a friend, but a friend that you don't just consider a friend. You consider them to be family, and that is Heather. I want to wish Heather and Christian all of the love, happiness, and most important, laughter that has to come in the world for the rest of their lives. There are no other people in this world that are more deserving of what is to come for them. I know that they are going to be the most amazing parents when that time comes, and they have truly the most that life has to offer them. So cheers to you both, cheers to Heather, and love you guys forever and ever. You are my family.